Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Again, my name is Mark Murtha. I'm one of the owners of MPM Bookkeeping, and we are going to be looking today at the chart of accounts in your QuickBooks Online account. We'll be looking at the sample account in QuickBooks Online. We'll be dividing this up into two different videos as it's somewhat lengthy. And the first one will be entitled, strangely enough, Chart of Accounts number 1. So first, what is the chart of accounts? The chart of accounts is a listing of all the accounts used to record financial transactions in a business. It categorizes and organizes income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. It provides a framework for tracking and analyzing financial data, enabling businesses to generate accurate reports and make informed decisions. So first, let's go to the COA before we get started, which is oftentimes called the chart of accounts, is referred to as a COA. We're going to be going to the sample account in QuickBooks Online, and the sample account is Craig's Design and Landscaping Services, as we've seen this many times before. So how do you get to the chart of accounts? First of all, you go to the settings, which is the cog in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that, and you're going to go, easily enough, chart of accounts. That takes you to your chart of accounts. Now, we're going to take a look today at the many different tabs and columns in chart of accounts. And the next video, we'll get into a little bit more of the specifics. So first, let's look at the very first column. That is name. The name in a chart of accounts is the unique name that's given to each account for easy identification and categorization one from the other. Next would be the account type. The account type refers to the categorization of accounts based on their purpose. It helps organize and classify accounts into groups such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, cost of goods sold, etc. The column following that is the detail type, and you see all these listed down below in each column. We'll get into those in the next video. The detail type specifies the subcategory or classification of an account within its account type. It provides more specific information about the account's purpose. Some examples would include bank, accounts receivable, inventory, accounts payable, loans payable, credit card, owner's equity, and more. Then you're going to get into the balance. The balance here, the QuickBooks balance, refers to the current amount or value of an account, its financial position at a specific point in time. The bank balance refers to the current amount of funds available in a bank account. It represents the actual balance of the account as reported by the bank. Now, if we look at the final column here, it says action, and you see view register. You can see this, it's for each one of the accounts. Then there's a drop down, which we'll look at that next time. In the action column, it provides options to edit, delete, print, attach files, reconcile, transfer funds, or void transactions, and run reports, among others. Now, if we move up to the top, we see some different things at the top. The top right-hand corner, you're going to see a tab that says Run Report. What does that mean? The Run Report tab generates a detailed report specifically for the selected account. If you select account down here, runs a report for that specific account, providing transaction details and financial analysis. Now, the import function at the right, you don't see that yet. If you click down under New, the drop down, you'll see import there. This is actually very important. The import function allows you to bring external data into your QuickBooks account. By clicking on the import button, you can upload and import data from various file formats such as CSV or Excel directly into QuickBooks. This feature helps streamline the process of entering large amounts of data such as customer lists, vendor information, transaction records, and by eliminating the need for manual data entry, which along with that can come errors and mistakes. We then see something on the left-hand side above all the chart of accounts that says batch actions. The batch actions tab is a feature that allows you to perform actions on multiple accounts simultaneously by selecting the desired accounts and clicking the batch actions tab. You can apply actions such as editing, account details, deleting accounts, or reordering them in bulk. Saves you a lot of time, which, as we've discussed previously, saving time is important in QuickBooks Online. Saving time gets you money. So here you have an overview of the chart of accounts. What we're going to find next time is we're going to do a little more specifics about the chart of accounts. If you found this video useful, informative, if you've liked it, even if you didn't like it, put in the comments down below. Please subscribe to this video in the bottom right-hand corner. Click the notification bell. There you'll be notified of extra videos coming out. Give us a big thumbs up that you've liked the video. And please comment whether you liked it or you didn't like it. We will reply to the comments. And if you have any suggestions on future videos, put those down in the comments as well. We'll be happy to review those and possibly honor those things you want to see. Again, thank you for joining us. Have a great day.